Fab 5 mourning the loss of its guitarist Ricky Walters. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The legendary reggae group Fab 5 is mourning the loss of its guitarist Ricky Walters. Walters passed away in Florida on Tuesday after battling cancer for a few years. Walters was a member of the group from 1976 to 1992, after which he migrated to Florida. In a statement, Fab's 5 Frankie Campbell expressed sorrow at the passing of his former bandmate. It is with deep regret that I have to report that Ricky Walters, former guitarist of the Fab 5 band, passed away. A guitarist bassist, he wrote the Fab 5 hit Asking for Love in 1978. He left Fab 5 in 1992 and moved to Florida, where he continued playing music in different locations in the state. Ricky turned 66 on the 4th of June. He leaves behind his current wife and 2 children. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.